So my wife ended up getting me the Verti Grip knife for Christmas. It was recommended by some other quads. Highly, highly recommend this. Some things that I do like about it, it's super sharp, so be careful. It's got a little bit of an edge so you can rock it while you're cutting. It's also got a textured hand, so it doesn't slip out of your hand all the time. And then it's weighted very nicely, so I can actually do this and it doesn't fall out. For most quads who want to be independent and cook for themselves or help when cooking, it's the first time I've actually helped while cooking. But check it out, works pretty good.
What are we gonna make with it?
We are making quinoa sausage. It's kind of like a gumbo thing. Pretty good. My wife makes it all the time, and I enjoy it a lot. I would highly suggest for those who have impaired hands, sensation, all the above. This thing is pretty sharp because I can feel it like cutting through it like butter. So be super careful. And yeah, I would 10 out of 10 highly recommend this, and you should definitely get one if you're limited hand function. And yeah.
Surprisingly, you're actually able to cut really fast. Yes, the bell pepper flew off my table. Chop chop. I love spending time with my wife cooking together. What I've learned about quadriplegia in 22 years is you just have to try. I was definitely finding my rhythm while cutting. Considering I don't feel my hands, there's just some things I'm not going to do, like putting in the seasonings and things, just because I don't want to get a burn. This is something that we make all the time, and I absolutely love it. I'm all about that cayenne pepper.
I am a C5, C6 incomplete quad, Asia A, so I don't have the use of my hands at all, and no triceps. I also don't have any sensation on my hands, so for you quads out there, definitely be careful. But if you want to get this, click the link below and definitely add this to your cooking utensils.